I've always been fascinated by those moments when life feels almost magical, like when you're on a beach just as the sun sets, and suddenly the sky is ablaze with colors you didn't know existed. These moments are rare and precious, much like the topic we're diving into today, antimatter. Yes, antimatter. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But stick with me because what makes this stuff so intriguing is how it exists in the shadows of our universe, almost like a whisper in the wind that you have to listen closely to hear. Now imagine you're sitting in a quiet cafe, the clinking of cups, the murmur of conversations all around you, and the smell of freshly ground coffee surround you. And suddenly, you notice the barista preparing an espresso shot. The process is almost like a delicate dance, precise, each step leading to that perfect cup. Antimatter is a bit like that espresso, something crafted under very specific conditions, elusive yet full of potential energy. So what exactly is antimatter? In the simplest terms, for every particle that makes up the things we can see and touch, like the chair you're sitting on or even your own body, there's an opposite particle out there. It's like a mirror image, but with the opposite charge. Picture two dancers, mirror images of each other, twirling in perfect harmony. These mirror particles are what we call antimatter. Why is antimatter so important? It's because of the secrets it holds about the universe itself. Think about a time when you've been alone, perhaps walking through a forest, hearing the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant call of a bird. There's a sense of something greater at play, a world thriving independently of your presence. Antimatter offers a glimpse into this hidden complexity, an untapped realm of energy and power. When scientists first discovered antimatter, it was like finding out that shadow worlds exist right alongside ours. It was the 1930s, a time when the world was in flux, and this discovery added a new layer of mystery. Imagine being a scientist back then, peering through a microscope and witnessing something completely unexpected. It's like finding out there's a hidden door in your house that leads to an entirely new space, filled with the unexplored. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Scientists believe that during the Big Bang, when the universe was created, there was almost equal amounts of matter and antimatter. Yet when they meet, they destroy each other in a flash of energy, a burst of light, and today, antimatter seems to have almost vanished. Where did it go? It's like trying to remember a dream after you wake up, with only fragments lingering in your memory. Consider the mystery of life itself, and imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean. The waves crash against the shore, each one unique and yet part of a greater whole. Antimatter represents this kind of cosmic mystery, a puzzle that, if we can solve it, might answer some of the biggest questions about our existence, like why we have a universe made of matter at all. But let's bring it back to a more personal level. There was this one time I was hiking, and I stumbled upon a hidden waterfall. The sound was almost deafening yet soothing, the air crisp with the mist that tickled my skin. It felt like discovering something pristine, untouched by human hands. In a way, studying antimatter is like that, a journey into the unknown, where every discovery feels like uncovering a piece of a grand puzzle. If we could harness antimatter, the possibilities are mind-boggling. It holds a tremendous amount of energy, much more than regular matter. Imagine fueling a city with just a few grams of this stuff. It's like having the power of a dozen suns in the palm of your hand. But of course, it's not that simple. The process is incredibly complex and costly, almost like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. As we wrap up, let's think about the wonder of discovery and the endless questions that still remain. Antimatter reminds us of how much we still don't know and the incredible journey of exploration that awaits. It's a testament to the complexity and beauty of our universe, much like a symphony that you can feel in your bones, resonating with unspoken questions and possibilities. In the end, We're not so different from scientists peering into the unknown, each of us in our own way, trying to make sense of the world around us. So next time you gaze at the stars, remember that you're part of a universe filled with wonders yet to be understood and stories yet to be told. Antimatter is just one of those stories, waiting for us to listen closely and maybe, just maybe, catch a glimpse of its dance in the shadows.